27. The concept of the villa and other European ideas came to Lucknow with foreign soldiers, travelers and adventurers. For the Nawabs of Lucknow, architecture became the physical manifestation of their new status and a way of proclaiming their alignment to the new power block. The blank then. Villas hence provided an ideal substitute. Europeans sold to the Nawabs the idea of villas based on designs and publications carried by them and often aided by memory. The building chosen as the prototype for the famous Dilkusha Koti was a country house in Northumberland. Okay, so the concept of the villa is what the topic, the past paragraph discusses, and other European ideas coming to Lucknow. The sentence before the blank says, for the Nawabs of Lucknow, architecture became the physical manifestation of their new status and a way of proclaiming their alignments to the new power block. So, this sentence talks about status and their alignment to the new power block. And then the one that follows says, villas as a result, okay, hence gives us an outcome, provided an ideal substitute. So, the choices. The Nawabs of Lucknow fancied building palaces that resembled British ancestral homes. Now, if the for the Nawabs, architecture became the physical manifestation of their new status and a way of proclaiming their alignment to the new power block, the British, then they fancied or they fancying building palaces that resembled British ancestral homes would certainly fit here, because the next sentence says, as a result, villas provided an ideal substitute for whatever is given in the previous sentence. So, I think we could go with 1. The next one, the Nawabs were attracted to European ideas in architecture because of their foreignness. Now, this does not flow into villas, hence provided an ideal substitute of what? Foreignness or what? So, this is a little unclear or rather disconnected. The Nawabs chose to live in villas because they were easier to construct than palaces. Hence, villas provided an ideal substitute. Now, this sentence, if placed at the blank, neither connects with the previous one nor with the one that is after, and it talks about something different. The Nawabs choosing to live in villas for what reason, whereas the previous sentence talks about status and proclaiming their alignment to the new power block. So, this is about what they chose to do and not about the status and manifestation of their new or alignment to new power block. The last one, the villa became the backdrop to both the private as well as the court life of the Nawabs is absolutely tangential. Okay, so I hope it's clear why 1 is clearly the one that we need to fill the blank space with. Okay.